Hello and welcome to How Much, where I discuss how much YouTubers earn off their ad revenue on YouTube. My name is Cynthia Moses. This channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on how much your favorite YouTubers make. So you might be wondering, just how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by running ads on their videos. The money earned is determined by the channel's CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Most channels on YouTube earn a $4 CPM. That's $4 per 1,000 views. That is a very conservative estimate, as CPM is determined by the demographics of the viewers, where they are viewing the video and what time of day it is. The CPM can also be higher depending on the channel's content. The content creator keeps 55% of the ad revenue, while YouTube's cut is 45%. In this video, we are going to look at Jack Scalfani and the Cooking with Jack show. The Cooking with Jack show is a channel hosted by Jack Scalfani, where he does cooking demonstrations and kitchen product reviews. His most popular videos on the platform have several millions of views. Jack consistently earns several thousands of viewers per upload. In this video, we'll discuss the ad revenue Jack earns on the Cooking with Jack show annually. Jack earns 274,000 views per month. Multiply that by 12 and Jack earns 3,288,000 views. With a 4% CPM, let's see where Jack is at in ad revenue. 3,288,000 times 0.004 equals $13,152. YouTube takes 45% of the ad revenue, and Jack keeps 55%. $13,152 times 0.55 equals $7,233. This is only an estimate. Jack has over 526,000 subscribers. He averages around 2,000 new subscribers every month. Jack also has a second YouTube channel titled Jack on the Go, which I will discuss in another video. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if there is a channel you would like us to discuss in a future video. Be sure to like the video by hitting the thumbs up, comment down below, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Take care and see you soon.